Hello, my name is Kairi, and today I'm going to be explaining percentages over 100. So normally you have a percentage like this, and then times that by the whole number to get your answer. But what happens when you have over 100? You might be thinking, what? That's impossible! But it's actually really quite simple if you know how to do it. So if you have 100%, it's a whole, right? Same way that if you have 50%, that's a half. But then, with the extra, you just multiply it again. So, here, let me just show you. So, 100 as a decimal can be equal to 1 as just a whole. So, you can just do this, 1.38. Then times that by 48. I hope this helped you understand percentages over 100. Thanks for watching.